How you doing, brothers and sisters? I just want you to know that when you start off your prayer, when you says that in the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, well, I'm living testimony that His grace and His mercy is for real, because I got 21 convictions. I got 12 misdemeanors, 9 felonies. I was shooting coke and heroin, well, smoking crack cocaine and shooting heroin for approximately 29 to 31 years, I believe, and I just added a couple of more years just to be certain. Allah brought me out of darkness into the light. This is an example of His love and His kindness for you. If anyone out there has any doubt, I want you to know that my mother, this is another story that Allah has brought me through. When I was 9 years old, she got kidnapped. She got pistol whipped till her jawbone was showing, and my uncle got shot up. My mother been missing since '71. Allah brought it to me that, hey, your mother carried you 9 months in her womb and birthed you into the world, and you are a physical expression of her. So don't shame her existence. Continue to be bright and shine and allow me to guide you to a better place. I was in a tragic accident in 2014 on Highway 99, September 24th. Our company van flipped over 5 times. I was knocked unconscious. I had cervical, lumbar, and thoracic and knee injury. Allah didn't want me to continue robbing and taking. So I was bruised and banged up. And out of the outcome of that, February of 2018, I was awarded a substantial amount of money, and Allah gave me that. I want this brother to turn attention to everything that I have, my clothing. Allah gave this to me. When I go shopping, I ask him, what do you want me to have? And we shop together. The brother turn around, you will see the 2018 Ford Edge that Allah has given me. I want you to know how when I pray and how I end my prayer, I speak about all the prophets. When I say this, I say, I love you, Allah. I love you, Archangel Michael. I love you, Gabriel. I love you, Isa. I love you, Muhammad. I love the angels that were assigned to me to watch over and protect me. I love you, Abraham. I love you, Isaac. I love you, Ishmael. I love you, Elijah. I love you, Jacob. I love you, Moses. I love you, King David. I love you, King Solomon. I love you, Jeremiah. I love you, Nehemiah. I love you, Noah. I love you, Malachi. I love you, Ezekiel. I love you, Zechariah. I love you, Mother Mary of Jesus. I love you, Joseph. I love you, Job. I love you, Joshua. I love you, Adam. I love you, Eve. I love all the inhabitants of heaven that love Allah. You know our deen is useless if we don't believe in all of it. And I just want you to know that if you're going through a struggle, when you read the Quran, Allah is talking to you. When you pray, Allah is talking, you are talking to Allah. Sorry, this moment is so precious and beautiful to me because I want to share my experience with you. But I know for a fact that there is nothing more important in this life than to understand your position when it comes to how your love is increasing for Allah. You want to be truly aware of that. And when you're consciously aware of that, Allah said He puts you on the right path. No one can take you off that path. And like I said, once again, He brought me out of the dunya into the light. It's not about the materialistic things you see, it's about my